Meet the pressure-independent control valve, precision flow control, engineered for modern HVAC systems. Every valve is pressure tested before it leaves our factory, hydrostatically verified for leak-free performance and long-term reliability. Each unit is then carefully sealed and protected, so it reaches you in perfect condition. Standard export cartons, strong palletizing and clear marking, your order arrives safe, complete and ready for installation.
Qingdao I-FLOW was established in 2010. We are a manufacturer and seller focusing on providing customers with high-quality, fully equipped valves, including accessories. We are a caring family. Ever since we started up, we have been delivering thoughtful care to customers to every detail as we could, address value customer needs, comply with regulations, respond quickly, quote competitively while strictly control quality and lead time. If you are looking for a reliable partner, look no further. We treasure the partnership with every customer, as we deeply understand that only by supporting you to achieve your success can we have our own healthy development.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.